What if I told you that in the next 5 minutes, you'll learn how to get almost anyone to say yes to you? Your boss, your crush, even a stranger. Without begging, without pressuring, just using pure psychology. Stay till the end because trick number 3 is something 90% of people do wrong every single day. Trick number 5, the reciprocity rule. Humans are wired to return favor. When you give something first, a compliment, a small help, a favor, the other person's brain automatically feels obligated to give back. So before you ask for a favor, do one first. Buy them coffee, help them with something small, then ask. Their brain won't let them say no easily because saying no now feels unfair. Trick number 4, the assumption clause. Instead of asking, do you want to come? Ask, are we meeting at 6 or 7? You have skipped the no option entirely. Their brain is now choosing between two yeses, not between yes and no. This is the exact technique top salespeople use to close deal without ever sounding pushy. Trick number 3, and this is the one most people mess up. It is called labeling. When you tell someone you are such a reliable person or you always help people out, you are not just complimenting them. You are planting an identity in their mind. When someone accepts that label, they will unconsciously act to match it. Call someone generous enough time and they will start acting generous around you specifically. This is powerful and it works fast, but use it with respect, not to trap people. Trick number 2, strategic silence. After you ask for something, stop talking. Most people rush to fill silence with justification, which weakens their request. But if you ask and then simply wait, calmly, confidently, the other person feels the pressure to fill the silence, often with yes. Silence isn't awkward, it's control. And trick number 1, the most powerful of all, foot in the door. Never ask for big thing first. Ask for small thing that is easy to agree to. When someone says yes once, their brains wants to stay consistent. So the next bigger ask become much more easier to accept. This is how top negotiators and even charities get people to commit to bigger things over time. These aren't manipulation. These are understanding how people naturally think. So you can communicate better, not trick people. If this helped you to understand a people little better, hit subscribe because in the next video, I'm breaking down the psychology behind why people lie and how to spot it in 3 seconds. See you there.